Today I'm going to show you how to make dog drool salsa. It's actually cactus salsa. We grow the cactus on our cactus farm. First thing you do is chop up some cilantro. A lot of Mexican recipes going to use a lot of cilantro. For this one I'm using a half an onion. I like to slice the onion in a radial fashion. Some people prefer the traditional way. Some people like the lazy way. Now here's our special garlic. It's a garlic bulb. We have a special technique to grow it this way. If you want to find out how to do this, go ahead and subscribe. Garlic, of course, should be really tiny. But sometimes I put it in foil and stick it in the oven with a little olive oil drizzled over it. 45 minutes in the oven and it is really good. Now I put sweet corn and black beans in here because I like the sweetness. I like the fact that there's lots and lots of different materials in it. And for this I'm using canned tomatoes. This is something that you can pop together pretty easy because you can have all the materials on hand, except for most people won't have the cactus and maybe the cilantro on hand. Now a cactus should be diced really tiny. Generally with most recipes you don't want more than about 5 or 10% of the ingredient mass to be cactus itself. The cactus blends with everything. It has a lot of mucilage in it like okra has. A lot of people say it's medicinal for them. Helps control blood sugar levels, things like that. Now I put a little olive oil in there. Nah, just stick with plain old cumin, salt, and pepper. Now here's diced jalapenos. Now you stir it all, leave it in the fridge for a few hours to blend the flavors. And it's great over meat, it's great over eggs, lots of different recipes. Go ahead and subscribe for lots more cactus growing and garden info. Bye.